Hello everyone. Welcome to this English learning story. Today, you will listen to a sweet, emotional, calm conversation between a boy named Arjun and a girl named Mira. They speak slowly, with clear words, so you can understand and learn English easily. Now, let's begin their sweet journey.
Hi, excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, hello. Yes, the seat is free. You can sit here.
Thank you. It's a beautiful evening, isn't it?
Yes, very beautiful. I come here when I want to feel calm.
Same here. Sometimes life feels fast, and I like slow moments, like this one.
Me too. Slow moments feel like sweet medicine.
That's a nice way to say it. Sweet medicine.
What brings you here today?
I wanted some peace, and maybe a little inspiration.
Inspiration? For what?
For life, for work, and sometimes just to feel something warm inside.
Do you come here every day?
Not every day, but whenever my heart asks for silence.
That sounds poetic.
Only sometimes. Most of the time, I'm just a simple person, but today, I feel different.
Different? Because of the evening, or because of the company?
Smile slowly, maybe both.
I like honest answers, thank you.
And I like soft conversations. You speak gently.
People understand better when we speak softly.
Yes, and listening to you feels peaceful.
So, Arjun, what do you do?
I work in design. I create posters and videos. And you?
I teach children English, slow, simple, happy English.
That makes sense. Your voice is perfect for teaching.
Thank you. I believe learning should feel warm, not stressful.
Exactly. That's why this conversation feels nice. I'm learning too.
And what are you learning?
To speak softly, to feel moments, and to enjoy simple things.
Smiles. That is sweet, very sweet. Would you like to walk slowly around the park?
Yes, I would like that. Sometimes, walking with someone feels like sharing a little piece of life.
Yes, just a small step together can feel beautiful.
Do you always think like this?
Not always, but when I meet someone kind, my heart speaks softly.
I'm glad your heart is speaking now.
Look, the lights are turning on, the park looks magical.
Yes, and the moment feels magical too.
Arjun, can I tell you something?
Of course, anything.
Today, I was feeling lonely, but now, I feel understood.
Mira, I was searching for warmth today, and somehow, I found it in your words.
Sometimes, two strangers meet at the perfect time.
Yes, and that moment becomes a sweet memory.
It's getting late, I should go.
Yes, but I hope this is not our last conversation.
It isn't. Sweet stories don't end so quickly.
Can we meet tomorrow, same place?
Yes, I would like that.
Then, this is not goodbye, this is see you soon.
See you soon, Arjun.
And that was the beginning of a soft, sweet, beautiful friendship. A friendship that taught them that small moments can change big feelings, and that gentle words can teach us the language of the heart and the language of English. Mira, may I walk with you just until the gate?
Yes, I don't mind. A little company feels nice.
You know, it's strange. We met only today, yet it feels like I have known you longer.
I feel that too. Some people we understand quickly. Our hearts recognize kindness.
Yes, Kindness speaks a language everyone understands. They both smile gently.
Arjun, do you always speak this softly?
Not always, but with you, I feel calm. When the heart is calm, the voice becomes soft.
That is a beautiful thought. Ah, the wind feels nice, like the evening is saying goodbye.
Or maybe, the evening is blessing us, giving us a sweet little memory.
I will remember today, not because it was special, but because it was simple.
Sometimes, simple moments stay in the heart longer than big moments.
Yes, very true. So, this is where I leave.
Yes, but before you go, can I ask something?
Of course.
Tomorrow, when we meet, can we talk more about your students and your English lessons? I want to learn from you.
Yes, I would love that. Teaching you will also make me happy.
Then it's a promise. Tomorrow, same time, same place.
It's a promise. Good night, Arjun.
Good night, Mira. Take care.
And then, they walked away, with soft smiles, warm hearts, and a new friendship, gently beginning, a friendship that would teach them English, and also teach them sweetness.